Hi guys, Dr. Ben Leeson here, co-founder of TradeRounds.com, and I just wanted to kind of go over the Google trade that we recommended on our Facebook page. As always, these materials are for educational purposes only. We don't provide buy and sell recommendations on stocks or other securities, and if you buy and sell stocks, the risks are your own. And of course, the profits are your own as well if you make money. When you're learning how to trade, we recommend simulated trading and trading with a relatively small amount of funds so that your risks are low until you learn how this game is played. Okay, off to the chart. So here is the chart that we put on Facebook, on our Facebook page. It said, watch the 1050 axis area on Google for support to hold. You can see here we had a false break of this area. We had a high volume move down that had no follow through, and then we made a higher high and possibly a false break of this area as it came back down. And I was really looking for this area to be tested. And that's what I wrote about. I also wrote about how the volume had dried up. The next couple days, this chart is from stockcharts.com. You can see that Facebook did indeed break 1060, head towards 1050, and as it did this, it did it on relatively high volume compared to the prior days. The following day barely moved and closed up towards the top part. As Google moved higher, I went long on a break right here at about 1071. And Google closed nicely up at 1092. We exited the trade yesterday at 1141. As you can see here, this is the same high volume area with no follow through. Then you have the high close followed by a move up, and it continued up towards resistance. I highlighted this gap area as well as this resistance area here. Close the trade as it has kind of slowed down and moved in a vertical fashion here, and we're up towards this more aggressive channel line, and we've paused. So I closed the trade here at 1141 yesterday. We made a profit of 6.5% in 4 days, which is a pretty nice trade. At this point in time, I would expect at least a pause and maybe retest to the moving average or some other lower risk area to trade from, and I'll continue to watch this market for another opportunity. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Trade Rounds. You can also follow us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/stocktradingeducation, and you can visit us on our website at www.traderounds.com. Thanks for watching.